Yeah.
I am an advocate for improving the claim process because that goes to helping customers see what's at the end of the tunnel when they suffer something that's bad. And customer service and customer experience is something that gets a little bit lost in the, again, an algorithm can be trained or changed to do some process.
Yeah.
But it's hard for it to be empathetic. You can put an empathetic voice on a bot.
Yeah.
You can even train bots to anticipate what questions might be. But when there's some issue that's complicated, there still has to be that trapdoor to an analog solution. And what I see as being an answer, because there's literally hundreds of thousands of persons employed in first world insurance companies.
Right.
Focus on training and service skills.
Training and service skills. Okay.
That's we rush people in to learn the systems. Right. You get a new employee out of college, out of university. Right. You train them on the system, and then you say, go to your computer, take care of the customer. Yeah. But there are ways to innovate training as such. The other piece is, and I don't recall if you ever worked in an insurance company or a big administrative deal, but picture the hierarchy of an insurance claims organization. Okay. Again, it's a hierarchical silo type thing. You've got the adjusters, then you've got unit managers, then you've got regional cleaners. All right. So you have reasonably new staff, and you have the company trying to innovate.
Okay.
Who's pinched in the middle? But the field administrative claims managers. All right. So what the staff does is the responsibility of the manager. What the company changes comes down to the manager to implement it.
Okay.
So you need to, the carriers, if they're smart, they will focus on removing from those managers all of the administrative and rote tasks that inhibit them from being able to develop their staff and from being able to take what the company sees as new and implement it well. For example, many carriers have, you're going to do a file review, which means the manager stops, looks at his computer screen. Did we follow all the rules? Was there regulatory? That piece can be automated easily. What are the audit rules that we have? Well, you can take anything, and all files are virtual now. So you can hear AI to look at a file, key on certain things, put the audit into an automated setting, and let the manager be unleashed to make sure the new staff who is, again, the intellectual capital is lacking, develop them, and be able to, well, let me put it this way. You get the best innovation that starts up at the C-suite. And they say, let's do this. Let's roll it out. Well, who needs to implement it? The people in the field or the people in the office.
Right.
If there's not full attention given to it, what are the staff who are seeing the customers going to do? They're going to find workarounds because the habits they know are the ones they're successful at. If you add something to it and you're not fully trained or shown how to implement, you're going to find a way to work around it. And that subverts what the company's trying to do.
Okay.
And so instead of 100% effectiveness, maybe you have 70%. So that's my thought on for company executives. What should you do for innovation and technology? Well, develop everything, but make sure the people implementing it have full ability and time
to do it.
Focus for highest and best value.
Right. Okay, great. Automate the
that one.
Automate the normal tasks so they can focus on looking at what innovation and what kind of help they can provide. Okay, great.
Well, who can do a file review better to see if there's a line that says estimate presented to customer, a human or artificial intelligence? Right. You could a computer can look at 1,000 files in a minute.
Absolutely.
A human, that's it. All right. The next
Okay.
question I thought